on purpose. He knows I ate sausage and olives and
Look what you did, you little jerk.
Classic Uncle Frank. That was hilarious. Did you hear that?
Yeah, I did.
What was that?
I have no idea.
Sounded like a meteor or something.
Yeah. Let's go check it out.
All right, sounds like a good idea. All right, came from outside. Now remember, if you see a monster or something, run. What the heck? What's this? This was never here before.
Oh my gosh, he just fell in that hole. I need to find a way to get him out. Huh, this looks long enough. What the heck? It's sealed. It wasn't that way before. I can't open it. What am I gonna do?
What? What happened? Oh my gosh. I think I fell through this. It's sealed shut. Come on, open. Open. I got to get this thing open. Ugh. Ah. I guess I'll just go inside.
Can't get it open. I guess I'm gonna have to wait until tomorrow because it is freezing cold out here and I'm gonna freeze to death. Gotta wait till it's the daytime. Well, I guess I'm just gonna go ahead and go to bed now.
Hey, what are you doing at my friend's house?
Your friend's house? You must not have realized yet. This is great. I'm really happy with this one. Now that we have one of you here, and me, it's possible. It's possible. It's possible to bring them together. Both worlds. We're gonna hold you captive. You know? You're not going anywhere.
No, that's not possible. Ah!